Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we will have set 2. We have Jolly phonics. We have new sound. Are you ready? So, our learning outcomes for today. First, we are going to spell some words. Then, we are going to identify the new sound. Number 3, we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Then we are going to read words. We have blending and segmenting. Okay? Now, I want you to spell 3 words. Okay? Listen and write. Okay? Number 1, I want you to write the word tab. Tab. Okay? Well done. Tab. Very good. Tab. Excellent, my students. Great job. Tab. Sorry. Again. This one. Down, down. Then up, up. Round. Tab. Okay. Now I want you to write the word tin. Tin. My students. Tin. Excellent. T. T. Well done. E. T. Tin. Excellent. Tin. Well done. Okay, great. Now I want you to write the word. Are you ready? I want you to write the word sat. Sat. Okay. Good. Sat. Okay. Sat. Well done. Great. Sat. Excellent, my students. You are super speller. Okay. Now let's move to the new sound. Okay. Listen to the story. One day, Kamal, Kamal family went on a trip. Okay. They went to a village. In this village, there was a dancer. Her name was Catherine. Okay? Catherine and her friends, cats, they used to dance in the street. Okay? Catherine was clicking castanets. castanets. So today we have the sound K. We have the sound K. Okay, so we have two letters with the same sound today. We have this one is K, okay, and another one, this, it is also sound like K. Okay, my students, these two sound K, 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 K. Okay, what is the action for the sound K? Look here, look at this boy. He is clicking his fingers. Okay, when we click one times with our finger, we have to write this K. Okay, so when I make like this, one time, this is, we have to write this one, K. Okay, when I click two times like this, one, two, you have to write this one. Okay, down, down, okay, in, out, this guy, okay. When I click three times like this, so you have to write this guy and this one, okay, both of them. Okay, my students, do you understand? Very good. Okay, now, how can, first, let's listen to the song. Okay, so now listen to the story, to the song.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Okay, my students, do you enjoy this song? Okay, so today we have the sound again. We have the sound K. These are the sound K. Okay, so now how can we write the sound K? Look here. This K, we have to make like this round. Okay, like this round. Sorry. Okay, round. Okay, and the second one, the other one, look here, down, down, and then in, out. Okay, down, down, in, out. And here we have to make flick like this one. Okay, my students? Now let's see how can we write it in 4 lines. Look here. Line number 1, no. Line number 2, yes. Line number 3, yes. Line number 4. No. Okay, so like this one. Round. From line number 2 till 3. Space and then write again. Round. Okay. Now let's see how can we write the kicking cat. Okay, like this one. We will write it like this. Line number 1, yes. Line number 2, yes. Line number 3, yes. Line number 4, no. Okay, so let's write it here. Down, down. Okay, then in, out. Flick. Again, down, down. Then in, out, flick. Okay, can you do the rest? Again, down, down, then in, out, flick. Okay, so this is the sound K. This is the sound K. Okay, now let's read this word together. Can you read them? Okay, my students, let's see. Cat, cat. What is it? Cat. Well done. Now the next one. P, pick. How many sound? 1, 2, 3. Okay, pick. What is it? Pick. Okay, now the third one. Cat, cab, cab. Can. Okay, kit, kit. Sick, sick. What is it? Sick. Okay, my students. Now, let's see this word. How can we divide it into sound? How many sound in this word? 3 sound. Well done. 1, 2, 3. What is the first sound? K. What is the second one? A. What is the third one? P. What is the word? Cab. Excellent. Now let's see the second one. S, I, K. How many sound? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 sound here. What is the first one? S. The second one? I. The third one? K. Okay, now read the word. Sick. Sick. Okay. So what is the sound for today? K. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, my students. Goodbye.